Now look at can I partner? So some of the criteria or some of the question that we have. So I understand what the universe is. I understand who I am. I understand the connection, or I'm created with the same element. I understand that all have equal opportunities. But can I partner? So just remember that something that we touched upon in the previous slide when we were talking about who are we. Your past experiences do not impact your chances. Your past experiences only impact how you think. They only impact your subconscious mind. They only impact the habits that you have made. They only impact how you perceive and react to different things. And I'm going to take, I'm sorry, I see some notification on participant. I'm just trying to see someone. Oh, I did not admit Suz. She was waiting. Sorry for that. Hey Suz, I was busy in talking. I did not see the notification, and my mouse cursor was not shown, so I was not able to admit you again. Um, Let me just go back to the presentation mode again. Someone said something, a chat message. Okay, I realize you got kicked off. Okay, so your past experience do not impact your chances. Just remember that. Your thinking based on your past experiences, your paradigm, if you think that, oh, I have these limiting beliefs, I have so many negative thoughts in my head, uh, because I had this trauma, I was exposed to so much of traumatic or dramatic events in my life, bad or sad events in my life. It has actually impacted me or created a deep rooted fear or limiting beliefs in me, and unless I get rid of that, I will not be able to do anything. That is one way of looking at it. Or the other way is you focus on something else, you focus on improving what you're lacking in. But I just wanted to make you realize that no matter what has happened to you, or who has or what that has shaped your thinking, whether you consider yourself positive, negative, or whatever you consider yourself as, does not impact your chance. And when I say it does not impact your chance, it does not mean that with any thinking we can do anything. It means that whatever has happened, whatever event that has happened and shaped your way of current thinking, you still can become a partner, which means you have to make change, of course. But what I'm saying is, where you are based on your thinking, it does not limit you, it does not stop you. You do not become ineligible for this partnership. Your beliefs, like your experiences, you used to believe in something, you believed in something till quite recently, or you believe in something right even now, do not restrict you from becoming a partner. You still can become a partner, you're all eligible. Even if you consider this topic that we are talking about, even if you don't feel convinced with that, even that belief is not going to stop you from being a partner or will make you ineligible. The moment you start believing in this, you will start seeing the benefit of this partnership. So your beliefs do not impact your chances. And we at many times pay quite a lot of importance on these aspects. Your past thinking, your past experiences, or just thinking, your experiences and beliefs. And many people, they say you are what you believe. You are your thoughts. You attract reality based on your thought. But when we think of that, we say that, oh, my thoughts have been like that, really negative. That is why I'm getting negative. And how do I make sure that I become positive so that I get positive? Well, that's a different thing. We can definitely talk about that, but don't just remember this: your belief or thinking or experience does not make you ineligible. Even your karma or your past actions does not make you ineligible. You still are eligible, no matter what you have done, under the circumstances, based on whatever um, thought you get, what the overpowering um, thought in your mind was when you did that, whether you did that deliberately or it happened by mistake or whatever has happened. At many times we don't know why we are going through many things because we don't have that visibility into those karmas that we did. Like many of us would not know what we did before we were born, why we were born in this family, what was that criteria, why someone is born rich, someone is born poor, why someone is born lucky versus someone who's not lucky. Because for many people, the entire life goes into the struggle of making a livelihood. So just remember that your karma or your past actions do not impact your chances. In fact, nothing prohibits you from being a partner. Absolutely nothing. This should be an encouraging sign for everyone, in fact. If you have to remember one thing from this slide, just remember nothing prohibits you from being a partner. We all can be partner. And I'm saying can be partner because I want to differentiate between being a partner versus working or acting as a partner. We actually all are partner, to be honest. If we look at the proper understanding of this partnership, because we are the same element and we all have the same connection. We all are equal. So nothing prohibits us. But in order to being a partner, we'll have to do something that we'll talk about a little later on. But there's nothing prohibits you. Like I said, you already are a partner. It is like this thing that many people say, and again, I'm going to talk about popular definition of law of attraction. When people say, "Oh, use law of attraction," or "It is a tool," or um, "It is a way of getting things done." Law of attraction is much beyond, much more greater than that. It is something that is always there, already there for everyone. Just because you read of law of attraction, does it mean that your thoughts have become have learned to become reality? Or when you say I don't believe in law of attraction, does that mean your thought will not get reality, or your thought will not become reality? So what I'm saying is, law of attraction works with that connection that I'm talking about here, the energy, the vibrations, which is there for everyone, works for everyone, no matter what, irrespective of the time, the gender, or anything. No restrictions, no discrimination. Same is with this partnership. Everyone is a partner. Whether you consider yourself or not is a different thing. Whether you realize this partnership and do something is a different thing. And that is what I would like you to do, is that you realize this partnership and take advantage of this partnership. The stream that is available to everyone, like law of attraction, which is there for everyone. If we don't use it, whose loss is that? Whoever is not using that. So remember of this partnership and make use of it to get things better. What you want to get is something we'll talk about a little later. Also remember that you can invest anytime. This is a partnership you can start anytime. And when I say start, it means your deliberate action. It does not mean that partnership is not there. Partnership is always there, has been, will be. This connection no one can break, will never be broken, will always be there, has been and will be. Just remember that. So you can invest anytime. You can start taking advantage anytime. Just because something has happened in the past, just because you used to think differently, does not mean that you cannot partner. You have become ineligible. Just remember one more thing: the standards rule apply. The more you invest, the more you will reap. First thing is to realize or make yourself aware of this partnership, and second thing would be to see how I can take advantage of this. At times, that's what we do with our circumstances. We are trying to learn different ways of doing things. That is where we think of positive thinking, the company of positive people, law of attraction, or scientific way of doing things, or working hard and things like that, motivation, because we are trying to find ways to make things better for us. The kind of thing we're trying to get may be similar or different, depends on our perceptions or our beliefs or what we lack. So just remember that nothing stops you from being a partner. If you need to start becoming a partner or start taking advantage of being a partner, you have to start investing. It's like a business partnership. If I give you that example, consider that as a partnership, a business. You'll have to invest something. We'll talk about that. But unless you invest anything, how can you be a partner? You are being a partner, but how will you get benefit of that? So let's move forward to how can I partner?